Welcome to Intellify. Myself Ilish Maheshwari. In this video, we will see the NCERT solutions and extra questions to the chapter The Enemy. The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck, is a story which tells us that there is no bigger religion than humanity. Humanity lies above all prejudices, race, caste, etc. Let us first look at the solved NCERT questions. Read and find out. Question number 1. Who was Dr. Sadao? Where was his house? Dr. Sadao is the protagonist of the story. Answer is Dr. Sadao Hoki was an eminent Japanese surgeon and scientist. Sadao Hoki is the full name of Dr. Sadao. Eminent means respected. He had spent 8 valuable years of his youth in America to learn all that he could be learnt of surgery and medicine there. So he basically went to America to learn about medicine there. He was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. So he was on his way to discover a way to treat all the wounds completely clean. Dr. Sadao's house was built on rocks well above a narrow beach that was outlined with bent pines. It was on a spot of the Japanese coast. So here description of Sadao's house is given. His house is along the Japanese coast. Question number 2. Will Dr. Sadao be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy? Answer. So before moving to answer, let us know the plot first. War between Japan and America is going on. Dr. Sadao has sheltered a white man or an American, which is basically their enemy, who was severely injured. So now look at the answer. Dr. Sadao knew that they would be arrested if they sheltered a white man, that is an American, in their house. The wounded man was a prisoner of war. Prisoner of war means a person who is imprisoned by his enemy, who had escaped with a bullet on his back. So this white man was hit by a bullet. Since Japan was at war with America, harboring an enemy meant being a traitor to Japan. Traitor means being disloyal to one's country. Dr. Sadao could be arrested if anyone complained against him and accused him of harboring, means giving shelter to an enemy. Question number 3. Will Hannah help the wounded man and wash him herself? So Hannah is the wife of Dr. Sadao Hoki. He is assisting her husband in treating this white man. Answer. The gardener and the cook were frightened that their master was going to heal the wound of a white man, an enemy. They felt that after being cured, he here refers to white man, will take revenge on the Japanese. Yumi is the house help of Dr. Sadao. The maid was also frightened. Hannah rebuked the maid. Rebuked means criticized the maid who has refused to wash a wounded helpless man. Then she dipped a small dean towel into the steaming hot water and washed the white man's face. She kept on washing him until his upper body was quite clean, but she dared not to turn him over. So there was a fear in the domestic staff, including gardener, because their master was treating a white man, their enemy, and were really afraid. Question number 4. What will Dr. Sadao and his wife do with the man? Answer. Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah had told the servants that they only wanted to bring the man to his senses so that they could turn him over as a prisoner. So at first their aim was only to cure the white man and then turn him over as a prisoner. They knew that the best possible course under the circumstances was to put him back into the sea. So they also somewhere wanted to put this man back into the sea from where they had found this man. However, Dr. Sadao was against handing over a wounded man to the police. He did it means he take the ownership to carry him into his house. They took this white man into their house. He operated upon him and extracted the bullet from his body. Extracted means removed. He kept the white man in his house. He and his wife looked after him and fed him till he was strong enough to walk on his legs. Question number 5. What will Dr. Sadao do to get rid of this man? Answer. Dr. Sadao had told the old general that he had operated upon a white man. So this old general, he is having a negative character in this story. He has killed many people. He also tortures his wife. So in short, he is a very brutal person. The general promised to send his private assassins. Assassins are the person who are hired to kill someone. So he promised to send his private assassins to kill the man silently and secretly at night and remove his body. Dr. Sadao left the outer partition of the white man's room open. So now they are preparing for murdering this white man. Dr. Sadao left the outer partition of White Man's room open. He waited anxiously, means worriedly, for 3 nights. The servant had left their house because they were afraid, because their master was giving shelter to an enemy. The servant had left their house. His wife Hannah had to cook, clean the house, and serve the wounded man. She was anxious that they should get rid of the man. Dr. Sadao told Tom is the name of this white man, that he was quite well then. He offered to put his boat on the shore that night. It would have extra food and clothing in it. Continuation. Tom might be able to row to the little island which was not far from the coast. It had not been fortified. Fortified means protected. The water was quite deep. Nobody lived there as it was submerged in storm. Since it was not the season of storm, he could live there till he saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. He gave the man his flashlight. He was to signal twice with his flashlight at sunset in case his food ran out. In case he was still there and all right, he was to signal only once. So Tom started living across the coast, and Dr. Sadao gave Tom his flashlight. And if he want food, he has to signal twice. And if he is all right and well, then he has to signal only once. So this is how they are cooperating with one another. Dr. Sadao gave the man Japanese clothes and covered his blonde head with a black doth. So Dr. Sadao has given him certain clothes so that he looked like a Japanese. In short, Dr. Sadao helped the man to escape from Japan. At the same time, he also got rid of the man. Reading with insight. Question number 1. There are moments in life when we have to make hard choices between our roles as private individuals and as citizens with a sense of national loyalty. Discuss with reference to the story you have just read. So the answer is, there are many dimensions of life. We live it by maintaining a delicate means weak, balance between the different facets. Facet means different aspects. It offers to us as a part of our individual existence in the society. So we are having different aspects of life, and we have to maintain a balance between these different aspects of life. They are just a few of them, living for our own self, family, profession, and country. At times, however, keeping this balance is complicated and is overshadowed by uncertainty and dilemma. So, dilemma is a state of confusion. So, sometimes we lose balance and gets off track, but that is perfectly normal. This is exemplified in the story about Dr. Sadao, Hannah, and prisoner of war. So, this exemplified means shown here with an example, and prisoner of war here refers to the white man, their enemy. Continuation. Dr. Sadao and Hannah can't decide what to do when they discover a wounded war prisoner washed ashore. They are confused as to whether they should save and tend the injured, or whether they should let him die or inform the army. So Dr. Sadao and Hannah were having two choices. Number one, leave him to die or inform the army. And the second one is they should save this injured man. So they saved this injured man. Dr. Sadao finally strikes a balance by attempting to rescue him before handling him over to the military. He and his wife sympathetically means out of sympathy, tend to him but subjugate their forgiving selves by the burden of illegally keeping a prisoner of war in their home and going against the rule of law. So they were also facing a kind of guilty because they were helping their enemy which was against their country. In a bid to get rid of this burden, Dr. Sadao reveals it to the general, who promises by assassins to get the prisoner killed. Yet the human side of Dr. Sadao shows up again, asking him to ply, means go along with, his soul's voice, and he goes out his way to help the enemy soldier escape to the safety. So he get rid of the man. At the same time, he helped this white man to get away from this Japanese army. So he prevented this man from being murdered. Question number 2. Dr. Sadao was compelled by duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hannah, his wife, sympathetic to him in the face of open defiance from the domestic staff? So the answer is, Dr. Sadao and Hannah knew that each would question their decision to save the enemy soldier. They followed their sense of duty firmly, however. This sense of duty came from the profession he was in for Dr. Sadao, that is, being a doctor. But for Hannah, the duty was strictly humanitarian. So Dr. Sadao was helping this man because he was fulfilling his duty of being a doctor, but Hannah was helping this man out of complete humanism. She does it with grace and integrity. Integrity means quality of being honest. From handling the turmoil means a state of complete disturbance in her domestic workers, to being compelled to do all of the household chores herself. The caring, considerate, and compassionate. Compassionate means having compassion and love for oneself. Essence of Hannah shines out. Although it wasn't her job, she washed and fed the soldier. Her care has helped the soldier quickly recover. It explains why she returns to the room even after feeling ill and is ready to do whatever her husband asks her during the procedure. So, seeing the white man's blood when Dr. Sada was performing surgery, she started puking, but again she returned to the room in order to assist her husband in treating this white man. She assisted like a nurse during this procedure. Question number 3. How would you explain the reluctance of the soldier to leave the shelter of the doctor's home even when he knew he couldn't stay there without the risk to the doctor and himself? Answer. When the American prisoner of war came to consciousness, being awake to his senses, and realized he had been saved by a Japanese family, he feared he would be handed over to the army soon. So at first Tom was afraid because of the thought that he will be handed over to the army soon. But when he remembered how much love and care the family had given him, he realized he was in safe hand. But soon he realized how much love and care he has got from Dr. Sadao and his family, so he thought he is in the safe hands. He knew that while he was a threat to the family of the doctor, there could be saved his own life. Ultimately, burdened with gratitude, a feeling of thankfulness to the family, he agrees to comply with what the doctor has decided for him, the escape. Question number 4. What explains the attitude of the general in the matter of enemy soldier? Was it human consideration, lack of national loyalty, dereliction of duty, dereliction means dishonesty, or simply self absorption? Answer. The general was totally self absorbed. He was a Dr. Sadao patient, and when it came to his health, he did not trust anybody but him. He could not take the risk of living unprotected if the doctor was executed. Executed means killed for trickery. Trickery means for the betrayal to the country. He had personal killers that he vowed to use to destroy the wounded soldier, but he sadly forgot his pledge to assist the doctor. Humans were not his cup of tea. So General trust only Dr. Sadao in case of his health, and he would never want him to go away. So he trained his personal assassins to kill this white man and save Dr. Sadao from being executed. Question number 5. While hatred against a member of the enemy race is justifiable, especially during wartime, what makes a human being rise above the narrow prejudices? Prejudices means a particular set of thinking. Answer. War news is fast to become a way of life. The moment you pick up a newspaper, one is bombarded. Bombarded means entirely filled, directly or indirectly, with news of wars between various countries. So, war news is becoming so common today. The countries at war are obviously enemies, and hatred is a part of that enmity. And humanity's achievement comes when we rise above this enmity and show our respect for the entire world. Dr. Sadao had done the same. He did whatever he could do to save a man's life, which he knew was a prisoner of the war. He was overwhelmed with worry the moment he saw the wounded man, ignoring the fact that he was his country's enemy and must have killed too many Japanese and may have killed many more. He spared him if he was alive. So Dr. Sadao could also hand this white man, to army, but he follows his conscience or soul and let the men escape. He did this out of complete humanism. Do you think the doctor's final solution to the problem was the best possible one in the circumstances? Answer. As a part of his duties, the doctor did his utmost, means his best, to save the wounded soldier. The final question, however, was what to do next. It cannot be said that While he told the general the truth, he betrayed his country. However, he decided to help him escape when he discovered that the soldier was to be killed not for the good of the country but only to save the doctor's life. For such a case, the final solution to the dilemma means confusion, for the doctor was only the one possible. So Dr. Sadao was facing a dilemma whether to give this man to army or not. The best possible solution under such circumstances was the one followed by Dr. Sadao. Question 7. Does the story remind you of Birth by A.J. Cronin that you read in Snapshots last year? What are the similarities? The tale, answer, the tale definitely reminds us of The Birth by A.J. Cronin. Both the stories are remarkably similar. Both revolves around the doctors who are doing their hardest to save near dead human life. So there is a similarity between the two stories, that is Birth by A.J. Cronin and The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. Dr. Andrews saves with a lot of effort the life of an almost stillborn baby boy. Stillborn means nearly dead. While The Enemy deals with the story of Dr. Sadao, who saves an American soldier from the enemy troops during wartime. So both stories give a new life to people. The two stories are all about life, passion, friendship, selflessness, and a deep sense of duty. So these are the similarities between the two stories. So the next set of questions are multiple choice questions under the heading extra questions. Question 1. Who is the author of the lesson The Enemy? Options are Earl S. Buck, B. Dickens, C. D.H. Lawrence, and D. None. So the correct answer is A, that is Pearl S. Buck has written this lesson The Enemy. Question number 2. Why did Dr. Sadao treat the soldier when he was from enemy's nationality? Options are A. He was a doctor, B. It was against his professional ethics, C. As a doctor he could not let anyone die, and D. All. So the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. Question number 3. Why did doctor's wife feel distressed? Options are option A. Seeing many patients, B. Seeing general's reaction, C. Seeing the orders, and D. Seeing the white man's blood. So the correct answer is D, that is seeing white man's blood. Hannah started feeling distressed. Question number 4. Why did Hannah wash the wounded man herself? Options are A. Because of her servants, B. Because her servants ran away, C. Because her servants refused to help an American enemy soldier, and D. None. So the correct answer is C, that is because her servants refused to help an American enemy soldier. Question number 5. Why was Dr. Sadao not sent to the battlefield? Options are A. Because he had no interest, B. Because he didn't love his country, C. Because he was supposed to offer the services to the general who was in pain, and D. All of these. So the correct answer is answer C, that is he was not sent to the battlefield because he was supposed to offer his services to the general who was in pain. So the next type of questions are short answer type. Question 1. In what condition did Dr. Sadao find the American soldier at the seashore? Answer is the American soldier was badly wounded, means he was severely injured, and the sand on one side of him had already a stain of red soaking through, means he was bleeding also. On the right side of his lower back, Sadao saw that a gun would have been reopened, means the white man was hit by a bullet. If immediate treatment was not given to the man, he would certainly die, so he needed an immediate treatment. Question 2. What was Dr. Sadao's father dream for his son? How did Sadao realize it? Answer. Dr. Sadao's father wanted his son to be an educated and successful man. He never played or joked with him, means he is a kind of serious person. Sadao was sent to America to learn everything about surgery and medicine. Eventually, Sadao becomes one of the most famous surgeon, one of the most eminent surgeon and scientist of Japan. In this way, Sadao realized his father's dream or fulfilled his father's dream. Question number 3. The general did not take any action against Dr. Sadao even when he came to know about his sheltering or harboring of the American soldier. Answer. The general needed Dr. Sadao's services as a doctor and surgeon for his treatment. He himself told Dr. Sadao that no one in the entire Japan is so capable to save his life. Any action against Dr. Sadao would also lead to his own death. Question 4. How did Hannah help Dr. Sadao? Answer. Hannah helped her husband in the operation. She herself washed the man. While Sadao performed the operation, Hannah helped him in giving the anesthetic, that is, a drug to make you unconscious. She acted as a nurse while her husband was performing the operation. So, this is how Hannah assisted her husband. Question number 5. How could you say that the American was tortured? Who could have tortured him? Answer. There were red scars on the backside of the neck of the American. It clearly showed that the man was badly tortured. The Japanese General Takama was a very cruel man. He must have tortured the man. Next set of questions are long answer type. Question number 1. To choose between professional loyalty and patriotism was a dilemma for Dr. Sadao. How did he succeed in betraying neither? Answer. As a doctor, Sadao was taught that he should never let a person die if he could help. One evening, he found a badly injured enemy soldier on the sea beach near his house. The man could die if not given proper medical aid. Now, Dr. Sadao decided to perform an operation on the man, though he was an enemy soldier. He tended him well, means taken care of him well, and took great care of him. In this way, Dr. Sadao was able to maintain his professional loyalty. But Dr. Sadao was a patriotic from the core of his heart, means from the bottom of his heart. Continuation. He knew it was an act of treason to harbor an enemy. Dr. Sadao knows very well that it is an act of disloyalty towards the country by giving shelter to the white man, that is their enemy. Therefore, he wrote a letter to the authorities about it and put it in his door. He even told the old general everything about the enemy soldier. It is the other thing that the general did not take any action against the enemy soldier. But Dr. Sadao was able to maintain a perfect balance between his professional loyalty and national loyalty. That means professional loyalty of being a doctor and national loyalty of being a Japanese. Question number 2. Explain the reaction of the servants in Dr. Sadao's house when he decided to give shelter to an enemy in the house. Answer. The servants in Dr. Sadao's house did not like the idea of giving shelter to an enemy soldier. Yumi, their house help, the nurse of the doctor's child bluntly means clearly refused to wash the white man. She said that she had never and would never wash a white man. The old gardener was a superstitious man. Superstitious man is a person who believe in certain superstitions, and it is also a kind of orthodoxy person. He said that there was no business in saving the man. He told Hannah bluntly that the white man ought not to be saved. But when they found that Dr. Sadao was not going to hand over the man to the authorities, they thought that he had turned a traitor. So they decided to leave the house. Question number 3. Write in brief the character sketch of the General Takama. So in this question we have to give the character sketch or portrait of the General Takama. Answer. General Takama was an old Japanese general. He was a very cruel person. He used to beat his wife mercilessly. Mercilessly means without any kindness. He also tortured the prisoner of a war very ruthlessly. Ruthlessly again means mercilessly or brutally. He even had private assassins to have anyone killed. He offered Dr. Sadao to send two of them to kill the American soldier, that is the white man, their enemy. He said that they were quite capable and could also remove the dead body out of the soldier. But he did not do that. In fact, there was a selfish motive behind it. He needed Dr. Sadao's services as a doctor. He did not want any problem should come to him because he only trusts Dr. Sadao in case of his health. Continuation. Therefore, he here refers to General Takama, left the entire matter on Dr. Sadao to solve. He pretended to be a patriot, but in fact he was a very selfish person. He did not want him involve himself in the matter. Perhaps he wanted Dr. Sadao to kill the man himself. The general was indeed a very self-absorbed person, means he was a kind of a selfish person. Next set of questions are value based questions. Question 1. Do you think being human is the greatest virtue and treating enemy is not a sin? Answer. I agree with the statement, reason being whatever is our nationality, gender, color, caste or creed, we are humans first. That means humanity lies above all these things. Being embroiled means involved in conflicts and controversies, is a side product of our egoism and ideology. Our basic conscience is sensitive for other suffering as reflected very beautifully through the character of Dr. Sadao in The Enemy. That is, Dr. Sadao treated the white man in spite of being enemy. It is rather a core of our spirit. Even mythology of every religion support this idea of compassion. Every religion teaches us to live in peace. So whether the injured one is our friend or enemy, it should never matter while treating. We should be honest towards our profession. After all, humanity is the common thread which binds us despite of our differences. That is, humanity lies above all these things and humanity should be the single religion. Question 2. What is more important, loyalty to your country or saving a person's life, no matter who he is? Explain your answer with reference to The Enemy. Answer. War and narrow nationalism can stifle, means change, human feelings of love and compassion and turn friends and fellow human beings into enemies. However, Dr. Sadao was true to his profession as it was his primary duty as a doctor to cure his patient without caring for identity. Dr. Sadao has operated this white man although he was an enemy. He had to struggle between loyalty to his country and his training as a doctor to save someone's life. He instinctively, means instantaneously, chooses the latter, that is the second option, being a doctor. While operating on him, he had called him my friend and had for the moment forgotten that he was his enemy. Thus, humanitarian considerations override man made barriers of rationality and culture. So, that was all in this presentation. Thank you.